All right, all right. This problem right here. So it says use technology in order to find the we're looking at the scatter plot, regression line, correlation coefficient, whichever one. Now there are many things that you could use. These are the numbers. I know you mentioned that you didn't know what numbers to use. These are the numbers right here to use. Limit imports is your first category. That would be explanatory variable. Crash fatality rate is your second set of information. That's your response variable. And so you can use anything online or an app that you as far as technology is concerned. All you gotta do is Google regression line calculator or Google correlation coefficient calculator. Either of those do it. But you also can hit this button right here. You can use StatCrunch, which is Pearson's version of Excel. So that takes you here, and it puts the numbers, your numbers into these two columns. And so if you want to graph, the first thing it asks you about is that scatter plot. Scatter plot is right here. And your X is that first column, that's limit imports. And then crash fatality is your Y. And if you compute, that'll go to your scatter plot right there. And so you can match it up to whichever one is on your MathLab options, A, B, C, or D. Then if you want to find the correlation coefficient, should be under here. So hold on, before I go to regression, just saw correlation. Okay, so some that if you just want to find a correlation, that's right there. And put those in that category, hit compute. That's the correlation. But if you want the correlation and other information, you got your regression line information and hit simple linear. That's your XB. Once again, limit imports that first column. Second column is crash fatality, hit compute. And here's all the information that you need. When you get there, you might not be there yet, but notice it says correlations right here. Once again, this is your coefficient of determination right here, R squared. And then this is your, let me see, go back, where is it? Here's the actual regression line right here. But like I said, when you get there, you'll see what I mean. With this being your slope, like it says right here, and this being your y-intercept, like it says right here. Yep. And so you can just use, you don't have to go to another website or app. You can just use, once again, MathLab to and StatCrunch to calculate the things that you look for. All right, let me know if that helps. Hopefully that does. If not, email me back. Take care.